Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the third lesson. Today, the starter that you should have in your notebooks are what are the properties of the items on the demonstration table. Now, you may not have seen these. There were some rocks, 2 corks, 1 rubber, and 1 made out of cork, as well as a wool hat. You can choose any items around your house in order to start discussing the possible properties such as color, mass, density, flexibility, and other properties that you may come up with. Again, the big word of the week is matter. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Today's objective is we're going to be studying the properties of matter: density, state, reactivity, and flammability. Density and state are physical properties. Reactivity and flammability are chemical properties. The assignments for the day. We're going to, as a group, jigsaw 4 different articles. Now, if you're working on this at home alone, you're going to have to read each of these articles yourself. After reading the articles, you're going to go ahead and take a quiz on the website mr.nacru.net. Make sure you take notes from the articles on the back side of your Cornell notes. Under Properties of Matter, you're going to want to write down under the physical heading, density and state, and under chemical, you're going to want to write reactivity and flammability. Any notes you have about either of these two things should go under notes and additional notes. My drawing is not an accurate depiction of the layout in your Cornell notes, but you can get the general idea. The quiz can be found at mrnacru.net. Go over the Science tab, hover there until the first matter quiz comes up, and then click the link to begin the test. You need to answer all the questions before you can submit. To end the day, I'd like you to think about the possible chemical and physical properties of wood. What do we use wood for? Why do we find it useful for those tasks? Write your thoughts down in your notebook.